Imagine the sheer panic of losing every single name and number in your iPhone a circumflex euros. Today, we're arming you with the knowledge to prevent that digital nightmare. First up, the easiest method, iCloud. Open your iPhone's Settings app. Tap on your name at the very top of the screen. This opens your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on iCloud. Make sure the toggle next to Contacts is switched to green. If it's already green, your contacts are automatically backing up to iCloud. This is your primary defense against contact catastrophe. Now, for our second layer of protection, manual backups using your computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Open iTunes if you're on a PC or older Mac if you're on a newer Mac. Open Finder, select your iPhone once it appears in the sidebar. In iTunes, under the Summary tab, or in Finder, you'll see a Backup Now button. Click it. Make sure this computer is selected for your backup location. This creates a full backup of your iPhone on your computer, including your contacts, photos, messages, a circumflex euros, everything. Let the backup process complete a circumflex euros. This could take some time, depending on how much data you have. Should the unthinkable happen, restoring is just as easy. In Settings, go to General, then Reset, then erase all content and settings after the phone restarts. Follow the on-screen prompts to restore from an iCloud backup or restore from a Mac PC backup. There you have it. With these simple steps, you can breathe easy knowing your precious contact information is safe and sound. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.